river. Same usual spots last time. Today, I'm doing me a catch and cook. Alright, I'm gonna try to catch me a baby bluegill over here and put on those hooks. I mean, on those poles right there. Sorry guys if I wasn't recording, but I caught me a bluegill. We're gonna do a catch and cook a little later. Alright, let's drop this again. Alright, I'm about to do another cast. I just set this blue one up over there with some night crawlers. I'm gonna see if I can catch me a baby bluegill for the other one. And in a minute, I'm gonna try them over there and see if any fish over there. Now I'm just dangle this over in the water. All right, here. It's a perfect size for buy a bait. Now how I hook it is like this. Make sure you get your hook it right back to the back top fan, all the way back here, so I can swim freely in the water. Make sure ain't no scales on the point end of your hook. There you go. That's how you hook it in. All right, let's cast this out. Now how I cast mine is through that spillway, so I can like float through there, just drift through there. Alright. Alright. Let's get our bell. Alright, we set that one up. It's out there. And I'm gonna wait until a fish gets it. That's my second time using live bait. Well, probably third time. Because I can't remember the last time that I used live bait before. Alright, let's try to get some firewood in the meantime. Alright, we got some wood, and in a little bit I'm gonna start that fire. Alright, I'm gonna try to fish over here to see if any bluegills in here. And after that, I'm gonna fillet them. Alright, let's see if any over here. We got ourselves a big one. That's a fatty right there. Look at that. Woo! Boy, that is a fat one. Look at that. Big one. We definitely doing ourselves a catch and cook today. In a little bit, when it burns real good, I'm gonna put that pot down, season my fish, put it on there. Alright, fire is roaring. I'm about to get my pan, season these fish with some butter. Back down. Let's get to it. Alright, what I got in here is some pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and seasoned salt. Alright, let's put this fish in here. They already been cleaned and everything and watered down, so ain't no dirty water in there, so yeah. Alright, close this up. Alright, our pan's preheated. I'm gonna put some butter on this. Look at that sizzle. Yeah. Now let's put our fish on here. Let's put a little bit of water on this. This is my very first catch. Catch and cook. Alright. What I want you to do is like and subscribe, and there'll be more videos out like just like this. The next video is gonna be called let me see. The Coke Can Challenge. That video is gonna be like I'm gonna fish with 2 cans. Well, I'm gonna fish with cans anyways, so I'll show you in the next video. Just subscribe and like, and I'll release it. Put some more water. Yeah, I'm saying that's the that's the broth, the flavor of the soup. I'm gonna let that sit there for a little bit, cook through. All right, I flipped them over. Man, they're looking good right now. I'm gonna dip some hot sauce in this. A little bit more water. There. My fish is done. About to take out this pot. Cook. Gotta be careful, it's hot. There go our fish. Bluegills. Yeah, look at all that sauce. Alright, and get my hot sauce. Man, I'm so excited. This is my very first catch and cook of Big Bad Catfish, my channel, YouTube channel. Now, here I want you to do is subscribe and like, and there will be a lot more videos. There'll be a whole lot of that. Yeah. Alright, taste test, Bluegills. This is good right here. This is real good. Bones, boundary, okay? It still tastes good. Pull a little bit more hot sauce in there. Wow, that's so, man, this is so cool. Ooh, there. Now, it's so cool, man. And it's gonna be a lot. Man, it's gonna be so much of this. Like you said, when I do a night fishing video, there'll be a catch and cook about that too. Man, so cool. All right, let's get through this fish and get all my stuff up and get ready to go home. Alright guys, this is the end of the video, Big Bad Catfish. Thank you so much for watching my video. Like and subscribe. I'm about to go home right now. Let's see. In the next 2 or 3 days, I'm gonna make another video. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. It's gonna be a surprise or something. It's not gonna be expensive or anything, but I'm gonna try my best to make it happen. But thank you for watching my video. This is Big Bad Catfish. See you later.